Hey, if you have a lot of toys or different things that you like to display, then we have the perfect product for you. It is from LED LEDs. It's a solar rotating display stand. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm pretty excited to unbox this. I have always wanted this for my product review show, and I was really excited that LED LEDs has this. It's a great company to deal with. And the neat thing about it, it's solar powered, so you can put near a window and have this rotating probably all day. Right now down in my studio, I have it running on a battery, and it seems to be running beautifully. I love the rotation speed, not too fast, not too slow. You can have it rotating clockwise or counterclockwise. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is just lightly stop it and rotate it in the opposite direction. You'll see that, I have a small little pot here. It can only hold up to 500 grams, and the size, the diameter of this, is not too big, so you want to use it for smaller items. Even Fonzie right here might be a little bit too big, but as you can see, it's rotating it with no problem. So it's really cool if you have some things that you would like to display. It's perfect for a show like mine that I want to promote the customer's items and show it from the different angles. So I'm pretty happy with this, and I'm going to be using this on quite a few of my shows coming up. Hey, if you're looking for a rotating display stand that is solar powered, check out LED LEDs. I'll have a link down below in my description. Make sure you subscribe, and like always, have a fun day. Bye-bye.